What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, feel free to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, drop a like, and drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below, man. Head over to IG, give me a follow on there as well. Now, without further ado, man, you guys are here for one reason and for one reason only. I got one pair, I got two pairs. These are the Air Jordan 2s by Union Los Angeles. These joints released about 2 weeks ago almost, on April the 15th. Today is April the 26th and my pairs just came in. So I just want to get this review up for you guys, man, so you guys can see them. Make your decision on if you want to pay resale, if you want to try to grab that blue pair on the next release, which should hit sneakers maybe next week or something like that. But getting straight to it, man, I'm gonna start with my personal favorite out of the two, and let's get right into it, man. The tag reads Air Jordan 2 Retro SP, gray fog and siren red, with a retail price of 225 bucks. This is a size 12, man, personal pair. On the top of the box, you see it has the Union sticker that they've been using for this campaign, man. The box has like the little perforations as it does throughout the shoe with the little holes in it. Get on the inside of the box, you see the Union front man with Flight on the bottom. You see the Jordan Jumpman with Union. Not sure if you can see it on here, but on the paper it has the Jumpman and the front man on there as well. Now this colorway, like I said, is the gray fog colorway. Personally, I think I like these a little bit better just off of first glance. I hadn't really had a chance to just break them down and look at them just yet. But I think this is my favorite pair out of the pack. The gray fog Union colorway, man. Randomly, I thought I liked the Rattan pair a lot better until I seen that picture of DJ Khaled. I'm gonna drop that picture right here. Seen DJ Khaled post this picture, and I think I really like this blue pair a lot better. But as you can see, man, it has gray hits right here, like a nylon upper on the top. It has those holes that I was talking about, like they used on the box. The stitching, just the perforated stitching, holes all the way around. It has their blue outline on there as well as the blue lace holes, and it still has their Union LA tag that they always use. And as you can see right here on the side of the shoe, it says Nike with the wings, and it says season HO21. That stands for holiday 21. These shoes are actually supposed to release I believe in November or December of 2021, but with all the shipping delays, we're just now getting them now in April, man. So it does kind of feel like these shoes have been out for a while, but with all the early pairs and things floating around, you have been seeing them for a while. But like I said, we just finally got our release, man. So here, like I said, man, here's that gray fog pair, man. It has the Nike on the back. Some really solid material, some really low cut suede. But it's a nice material, man. Really good stitching all the way around. Like I said, it has that Nike on the back, it has that Jumpman Union on the tongue, and it has like that stitching that they used on the Union 4, like the zigzag stitching before you clip the tongue if you decided to do that on your pair. The bottom does have a hit of red in it with the gray on the outsole, man. Just a regular Jordan 2 on the shape, but just with some premium materials, man. No leather, all like canvas and suede, man. So I do like that aspect of the shoe. I like both of the shoes as far as they give like a neutral vibe to them, so you can really let your outfit do the talking and just throw these on as like a like I said, as a neutral piece. It's not really just popping with colors and things like that, man. I like how the blue just does a little spark. It does come with extra laces. It comes with the cream laces on the inside. The blue pair comes with the extra pair of gray fog laces, and then the yellow laces that Union tends to always kind of throw in there. Now, like I said, man, these did release on April the 15th. There was a lot of like controversy with the release, man. Union released a statement saying that their bot protection was working a little too well. So a lot of people, including myself, when we got in initially, we were getting like card errors, man. A lot of people's payments weren't going through. I seen like maybe a few people's payments go through, but for the majority, everybody that got in went through the queue and got to the cart. They weren't able to check out because of the bot protection that they had, or some kind of new processor that they use so they can filter out bot orders and get their hands into individual sneakerheads. So I mean, I do like the idea of it. but it was definitely poorly executed, man. Union is still even releasing statements today, just kind of apologizing to people. I know a lot of people had like a whole lot of pending transactions, or even some transactions that went all the way through and actually took the money out of their account. So Union is still releasing statements saying that they're refunding people. They're still sorting through orders, man. So that, amongst other things, definitely is still going to cause some shipping delays, because they're still trying to get through which orders were correctly processed. They're trying to get through refunds, and they're just trying to get through all of that processing, man. But I am definitely happy to have both of these pairs, man. Like I said, this is the gray fog pair. Does have some nice leather on the sock liner, man. This is a really solid pair, bro. Really solid. Now this pair is supposed to release again on sneakers and maybe other boutiques. I haven't seen any boutiques post about it just yet, but if we're going off of like the Dunk release, they did release the Court Purples at certain boutiques and different mom and pop locations. So we will see a wide release of these on sneakers for sure, and maybe boutiques, so you will have another shot at these. But I'm happy to have both and just really have this release out of the way, man. It definitely was a headache. And like I said, man, you've been seeing early pictures float around since late last year, man. So I'm really happy to have these in the collection. Just kind of get this release over with and move on to the next one, man. But like I said, man, here's the gray fog pair, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about these. We're gonna move right along into everyone else's favorite, the more hype pair of the two, the Rattan pair. Now getting to the next pair, still has that same box, the same perforation that you've seen on the other box that they used around like the ankle collar of the shoe. Still has that Union tag HO21. Like I said, these were supposed to release holiday 21. This tag reads Air Jordan 2 Retro SP, Rattan, Siren Red, and Beach. Is the colorway for these. Same box, same paper. Front man with the Flight, jump man with the Union on it. Now let's get into these, man. This is everyone's favorite. This is everyone's favorite. I've seen a lot of people really only worried about these. Not sure if because it was the first release and they wanted to get this out the way. They knew that they would have a second chance at the blue pair. But a lot of people are saying this pair is better. But in my opinion, I like the blue one better, man. I don't know what it is. I just like the blue one. But here we are with the Rattan Union Jordan 2, man. One thing I do like about this one, it is a lot more neutral with the tan, gray, and the yellow. Just a little more neutral rather than that blue being like a little more of a popping color. But I like the blue pair a little better still. But the quality is there on these. Still has that canvas upper with the suede all the way around. Still has those perforated stitches. Still has the holes all the way around the mid area, man. Just a regular Jordan 2. Like I said, with better materials and with Union's own touch to it, man. I really do like these joints. I like how neutral these joints are, man. Like I said, that tongue still has that Union 4 swag of the tongue with the blue stitching. On the bottom, the zigzag stitching. The side tag does say the HO21, like I said earlier. And this pair comes with the cream laces. It comes with another pair of like a slightly darker tan lace. And it has the yellow laces that Union has been using as well, just like on the 4s and things like that, man. So here's the Rattan pair, man. Getting more into the shoe, they still use that Union LA tag. Just the overall dope shoe, man. The same as the blue pair with just a little bit different colors, man. Like I said, I like the, this one is a little more neutral. So I do see how people would maybe get more fits off with this one. It does have that blue hit on the bottom, and on the blue pair it has a red hit on the outsole. I like that, man. I like the touches that they added to these, man. And it's just a really nice shoe. And like I said, man, this is the most hype pair out of the pack. This pair is only releasing at Union, or did only release at Union, like I said, on April the 15th. So that's the only chance we had of grabbing these joints, man. So hopefully you guys were able to snag a pair of these. You will have a second chance at the blue pair. But we already know how sneakers goes and how these boutiques have been moving lately. You just never know if you're gonna actually get a chance to grab them, man. I feel like Union definitely had a more fair release. They usually have a more fair release. I mentioned the card processing errors that they were having in the beginning of the release, so they did shut down the website, and then about an hour later they reopened it. It didn't work out for everybody, so I do understand the ups and the downs and the backlash of this release, man. People still waiting for refunds and things like that. But I personally don't have those issues, but I do feel for you guys. I definitely would be mad if they were holding up my 255 bucks. Even some people had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different transactions on hold, so just holding up a lot of money. A lot of people were disputing transactions with their bank, and I can't really blame them, man. Union dropped the ball on that aspect of it, but they didn't drop the ball on the actual shoe, man. They did not. These shoes will not disappoint once you get them in hand. I know a lot of people aren't really big 2 fans. I'm not really a big 2 fan either. I have like the Chicago 2s, but I'm not really a really big Air Jordan 2 guy. But you know, it happens like that sometimes, man. I really like the neutralness of this release, and I'm happy to have them, man. I know the next pair that's gonna release is the FLYEERR 2s. They release on May the 13th. I love everything that FLYEERR and Status does, so I definitely will be aiming to add those to the collection. But as far as like some of the other 2s that are dropping later on this year, the Chanel 2s and things like that, I may pass on those. But I like Union. I like James Whitner and the whole FLYEERR, APB family. So I'm definitely gonna try to add those to the collection. Happy to have these joints, man. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We have both Union 2s. We have the Rattan pair. We have the Gray Fog pair, man. Y'all sound off, drop a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. They're pretty even to me. I do like the blue better just because it pops a little more. But at the same time, I like the neutralness of the Rattan pair. So, man, y'all drop a comment down below. Give me your honest opinion. Let me know which one you want. Did you want the Union exclusive? Or did you want the one that's going to get more of a worldwide release, man? Y'all let me know down below, man. Sound off, drop a comment. Feel free to like, subscribe to this channel, man. Everything, all support is much, much, much appreciated, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the Union 2s here. Peace.